Welcome back to the channel, and thank you all for watching HCKT TV. Make sure you visit Everett, Kentucky. That's my hometown and the hometown of heroes. While you're visiting Everett, stay at Black Mountain Cabins and Campers, located there in Everett, Kentucky, just minutes from the trailhead. Also, while you're in Everett, eat at the Southern Belle Restaurant, located in downtown Everett. Also, if you support the channel, scan that QR code. Let's get started into this video. Thank you for watching. Where is the transparency at, Mr. Government? I can't see it. The Black Mountain Off-Road Adventure Area has released a 2025 riding schedule, so please come to Harlan County and ride with me. I hope to see you there. We are out here Saturday, the 29th, for the April's Fool ride to see if we can catch some rock crawlers. We found a few of them for you yesterday. I did bring back my bodyguard enforcer.
What's going on, guys?
Yeah.
We're back again.
Back again. He's got some sexy shorts on. Let's get to it. We're going to have a good time. Got our American flag flying. Fuck you, Democrats. Beautiful place, guys. Make sure you come ride. Don't let you hunt. You ain't got to worry about getting shot. How you doing?
Good, we checked for glasses. He's got one. You got one? Yeah, I see it.
What's going on, man?
Everyone else, right?
Right there, fellas. Doing good.
What's out, man? You doing all right?
Yeah, you heard about having to replace.
Yeah, I heard about that, man.
And we found another one
Good.
in ages. We got.
Well, good.
I started from nothing, went to nothing, and
Well, holler at me if you need a ride or anything, man.
Yeah.
And
Anytime you need help.
Now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we found a little place in Wallace. So
Well, good.
it all came through.
Well, good, man.
Been checking passes. People's getting crazy up here.
Good. Yeah, I'll keep mine right there.
Yeah, I knew you had one. You promote the hell
Just
out of
message me if you need me, man.
it.
Take care. Good people here. Got it right off the bat, boys. Rock crawlers are climbing. Up here at Black Mountain Off-Road Adventure Area. Make sure you come by, get your pass, and come ride with me. Guarantee you'll have a good time. He's up there.
We are at the Lower Rock Garden in the Black Mountain Off-Road Park. So come ride with me. You'll love it. Got us another one coming up. It's the Jeep right there.
Hey, Landon. Watch your hit creep up really quick. Hey, what?
Oh, his winch was loose. Here he goes.
And there it is. Back up, pump it.
Tree moving.
He's in it. Keep an eye on that tree. That's a Widowmaker. Listen, look right in between these two rocks if it falls.
Back up, pump it. Landon. Yeah. You're about to back up. When you roll in on it, you're about to roll on it.
You got it, man.
Hit that motherfucker wide open right there. You got it. You hit it wide open right there. You got it. That's what the other ones did.
Hey, get this way, go straight up. Hey, Landon, you listen to me. Once you get your front tires up on it, wheel it, connect it.
You have to pop it like it's hot. Pop that pussy like it's hot.
Make that inline 6 turn into a V8, bud.
He creeping up it. Tree got the windshield. That tree's a Widowmaker. Looks like it's gonna fall back this way, Mike, when it comes. We just get right in here.
That's a good idea. I'm gonna duck right.
Right in between these rocks. Run a go from there, bust it. Wide open. Look at all the riders, guys. Come on down, get you some, have a good time. Ain't nothing like passing an old joint around,
Yeah, man.
drinking some beers, and tearing your car up.
He broke his windshield and he's so mad now he wants to try. He said he's not giving up.
Okay. So let's get high, let's get drunk and tear up some more shit. Yeah, sounds very smart to me. What about you, Mikey?
Sounds smart to me, too.
Sounds smart to him, too. Well, all righty. Let's get back to, are you smarter than a third grader? He been smoking the shit out of it. He don't even inhale. Oh, you Bill Clinton motherfucker. Inhale it, boy. Inhale that stuff. Inhale it. I need to confiscate that. Damn, dude. He acts like this damn. Mommy slapped him. Man, read my top. Mommy bumped him that top. Alright, now that we've got stoned, can we do it? You can't be Bill Clinton that joint, man. I'm gonna have to write you a ticket for that shit. You Bill Clinton the hell out of that. Somebody take that away from him. Here we go. Stoner 1. Get him, Stoney.
There we go. You got it, man.
You got it, Stoney. Get him. You gotta hold it in. No. He's a weed waster. When that Widowmaker comes, I'm going right between these two rocks. Get a big run and go. Go, go, don't let up, go. Oh, this ain't snail crawling. I think we got a dead fish, boys. Dead fish. He's done. He said he ain't breaking his shit. I don't blame you. So he got stoned and come to his senses. Mikey, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
He got stoned and come to his senses.
That's a pretty hard rock to climb right there, man.
Yeah. The stoning.
It's going up the other way.
Oh, I ain't worried about that. Hell, let him go up the little trail my four-wheeler can go up. So, we'll still give him his minutes of fame there. Let's go see what else is going on, folks. But, yeah, the pot, though, sobered him up enough to make him realize what his little drunk ass was doing, wasn't it?
I believe so.
I believe so. Alrighty, you have it from the mic. So, he's just dropping the mic.
Yeah.
He just dropped it on that, folks.
Yeah, it was close. She gave it a good try though. We might have to try one of the lesser crawls.
Drop the mic. He dropped his mic. It's over. That's it. We're going to find something else.
He gave it a good.
Yeah, the boy climbs that like it ain't nothing. He is the one that rescued him from Little Jagger. Notice how he don't go over to the little tree to the low side. He gets right behind that big rock. Yeah. Look at that. The climbing machine.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Make sure you come to Harlan, guys, and ride. You'll usually find me and Mike up here video recording. You'll be put on HCKT TV. That's for sure. And of course, if you don't want to be recorded, that's fine too. I respect your privacy. I mean, you paid to come in this park. Just don't be one of them idiots that approach the cameraman in a rude manner asking me. You know, I mean, just do everything right and polite. You won't be on my YouTube channel. Something don't sound right.
You might have to go.
No, there they go. Because while going, his front wheels was spinning. He's got like all-wheel drive, full-time four-wheel drive there. He's way over in that right corner. I ain't never seen nobody go up it there. I'm sorry, guys. I put the phone down a little bit. I was trying to see where he was trying to back to. He's pretty much right even with that boulder. Walking that rear end over. Smart driver. Look how he walked that rear end over 3-4 foot. Cut his tires over in the popped them over. It's like a 1970 some truck that he has remodified. That is so awesome. I'd love to have something like that, Mikey.
Yeah, that is neat.
There he goes. Woo! Yeah! The king! Yeah, he's been the king of this ride for sure.
Yeah.
He's rescued like 3 or 4. Everybody else was going up and over here on the little side. He goes up and on the big side. Now he's going to take his little victory lap around.
Yeah, he did it.
He sure did. He's making his own trail there, buddy. Well, wind's heavy, ain't it? There's what kind of truck it is from the front. It's a Chevy something that he has rebuilt, modified. Wow. Good job, man, whoever you are.